Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to buy Meta Arena or TIMI token on Binance Alpha. So TIMI or Meta Arena just get listed on Binance Alpha, and if you want to buy it, I will show you how in this video. So make sure you watch this video until the end. So first, you can open your Binance apps and then you can go to your search box here, but make sure you have signed in. And then you can search TIMI for Meta Arena, search it and go to Alpha tab here and you will find the token. You can click it. And then this is the chart. So from the chart perspective, I think it's good. There are some opportunities, but you have to understand this is not financial advice. You have to do your own research. So if you want to see the details, you can click info here in the top and you will find 24-hour high, low, and the volume. The volume is good, 30 million, and also you can check their social media and their website. And if you want to buy it, you can just simply click trade here in the bottom, and then you can choose limit order here. You can put the price you want to buy and the amount here. Also you can choose instant. You can swap your BNB or other token to TIMI token. So yeah, that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.